Well, perhaps you've been there waiting on that hefty tax refund from Uncle Sam. Now imagine weeks, months, and more than a year going by.
A single mom tells On Your Side she's done everything she can think of to get her more than $6,000 refund, including contacting her congressman. Still no money.
So that's when she reached out to Ashley Reynolds.
I can't get anybody to help me.
Look, Ashley Austin has a $6,772.12 refund, but the money has not reached her.
I'm frustrated. I'm extremely frustrated.
She filed using TurboTax in January of 2022. You can see on September 27th the refund was issued, but where'd it go?
My bank account was closed, and that's when the bank actually kicked it back. And it only took them 3 days to do that.
Austin said she had to close her Chime bank account because it was hacked. She forgot she tied it to her tax return. Austin reached out to TurboTax. Here's what she got back. Turns out TurboTax does not handle your refund at all. Santa Barbara Tax Products Group is the bank that handles the refund processing service.
I tried and tried to get a hold of Santa Barbara and couldn't get a hold of them. You have the money and you're sitting on it. There's no reason for you not to send it back.
According to the Better Business Bureau, the company has 1,335 complaints filed in the last 12 months. Customers plead for answers and demand their refunds. The bank has responded to every complaint, but that does not mean customers are satisfied. Look, a 1-star rating out of 5. In cases similar to Austin's, they tell taxpayers to contact the IRS and use what's called a trace. Austin eventually got this email from the bank and was told to do the same.
It's been over a year, and I haven't heard anything. You know, the IRS sent out a trace in December of 22. I've called the tax advocate line. There's nothing they will do for me because they have already started the trace. We're just going in circles at this point.
Tax professionals like Tiffany Cossey tell On Your Side there's not much else Austin can do.
Unfortunately, I don't know that there's a fast way to get it resolved. If I was in that situation, I would do exactly what she's done with.
Cossey recommended Austin file a complaint with the FDIC. She says it's a good resource if you have a problem with the bank. Austin filed a complaint last week and contacted her congressman.
I've done everything.
A rep from Congressman Burleson's office tells On Your Side they have reached out to the IRS on Austin's behalf. Now, since mid-February, I have repeatedly reached out to TurboTax and the Santa Barbara Tax Products Group for comment. I have not heard back. Now, if you are waiting on a refund, first check the IRS website and use the Where's My Refund tool. If you've waited weeks, it's probably time to contact a tax advocate. Get an IRS trace. Now, if a third-party bank has your money, just like Austin did, file complaints with the Better Business Bureau, Attorney General, FDIC, and contact your local rep. Now, it took some time for Austin to figure out where her money went. So the lesson here, if you file your own taxes using an online program, see if that program uses another company to handle your refund. Before you close an account, make sure it's not tied to any automatic deposits. Steve?
Good to know.